everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Cinnamoroll Nightlight in Heartopia. So, the Cinnamoroll Nightlight is one of the collectible event items in the Sanrio event. And then in here, you will also need to collect Nightlights from all 3 Sanrio characters to complete the Sanrio Gacha Machines collections on here like this. And after you get these 3 characters, you will unlock 20 exhibitions pass like this. And to get the Cinnamoroll Nightlight, actually it's very easy. First, you can get it from the rewards from the Sanrio Gacha Machines, but it's so random. And after that, you can get this Cinnamoroll Nightlight after doing Sanrio Gacha until you have reached 40 total pulls like this. You can see it. And after that, you can get the Nightlight box like this, Nightlight Surprise Box like this. And inside the surprise box, you can choose Nightlight that you want. For example, in here, like this, and then just tap open, and then in here you can just choose the Nightlight that you want, the character that you want. Like for example, in here I want to choose this Cinnamoroll, and then next just simply tap obtain, like this. So just keep doing gacha until you reach 40 gacha totals, and you can reach this level or this total by do up to 5 Sanrio Gacha pulls per day, 3 pulls from the Gacha machine at the Amethyst Beach, and 2 more pulls by using the Sanrio Gacha machine in other players' homes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!